Alrighty, Josh, this is your 427 small block Ford. Give a description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller. With a dark block. Got the Russell rear sump pan, Innovators West stamp there. We've got our induction system on it. I think you have one. We're there to make a run. Since it does, stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 458 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 552, peak horsepower 592. Well, we rate this as a 575, but we got a Super Vic on it, really good carburetor, so it runs really good. Now we'll pull the pipe back, make sure the exhaust is good and clean, kind of show you a couple other things. When you see your engine, you'll find these things look like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. It's got the dyno video, dyno built-in engine build specs, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend plug in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have your engine number, some other specs. That engine number, if you need anything from us, the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over. Got this QR code there. And click on that. It'll take you to some other specs. So highly recommend watch all this stuff. It'll make your installation a lot better. Have a great day.